an experiment which you melt an old CD and then when you blow it, it makes a very big bubble. So the equipment you need is a candle, a scissors, tape and an old CD. So first, when you have your CD, you have to take a piece of sellotape, stick it on and then wait for 5 seconds I'd say, and then when you pull it off, the paint will come off. Now I've taken the paint off, I'm going to light the candle and melt this for 5 seconds. Now I'm melting the CD. It depends on the CD of how long you need to melt it. And now you've got a bubble. Thank you for watching.